Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and today's episode is genuinely close to my heart.
And I'm Sam. Mine too. This one feels important.
If you are new here, welcome. Real English, real conversations, no stress.
Subscribe if you haven't yet. New episodes every week right here.
Okay, Sam, today we are talking about emotions.
Specifically, how to express them in English naturally.
Because this is something most learners struggle with deeply.
They know the basic emotion words.
Happy, sad, angry, scared.
But real emotional conversation goes so much deeper than that.
And when you try to express something complex,
Like feeling overwhelmed but grateful at the same time.
or disappointed but not surprised,
The basic words just don't cover it.
and you end up either saying nothing,
Or saying something that doesn't feel like you.
like wearing someone else's clothes.
That is exactly what it feels like.
So today, we are giving you the real emotional vocabulary
The phrases native speakers actually use.
to express how they feel, to comfort others.
To show empathy, to make people feel truly heard.
Let's start with expressing your own emotions.
Because before you can empathize with others,
You need to be able to articulate yourself.
articulate means to express something clearly and precisely.
Okay, beyond happy,
Happy is fine, but it covers too much ground.
there are so many shades of happy.
Elated, over the moon.
Elated means intensely happy, almost euphoric.
I got the job. I'm absolutely elated.
Over the moon means extremely happy, delighted.
She was over the moon when she heard the news.
Relieved, grateful, content,
These are all versions of positive feeling.
but very different from each other.
Relieved means the anxiety or worry is finally gone.
I'm so relieved that's over. I was dreading it.
Dreading means feeling strong anxiety about something upcoming.
I've been dreading this conversation all week.
Content means quietly satisfied. Not excited, just peacefully okay.
I'm not rich or famous, but I'm genuinely content.
Such a warm and underused word.
And grateful, deeply thankful for something.
I'm so grateful for the people around me right now.
Notice how each word carries a completely different feeling, even though they're all positive?
The right word makes people feel exactly what you felt.
The wrong word loses them. Okay, beyond sad.
Sad is too small a word for most difficult feelings.
Heartbroken.
A much deeper pain, grief-level sadness.
She was absolutely heartbroken after they broke up.
Gutted.
Very British means deeply disappointed and devastated.
I was absolutely gutted when I didn't get the promotion.
Deflated.
Like a balloon that lost its air.
Your excitement or energy just went away suddenly.
I was so excited about the trip, then it got canceled. I felt completely deflated.
Overwhelmed.
Too much happening at once. Emotions or tasks exceeding your capacity.
I've just been feeling really overwhelmed lately.
And this is a phrase people say constantly in real life.
It's very validating when someone admits feeling overwhelmed.
Because most people feel it but don't say it.
Burnt out.
Exhausted from too much work or stress over a long period.
Not just tired, deeply depleted.
I think I'm completely burnt out. I have nothing left.
Very common in modern conversations.
Especially work-related conversations.
Okay, beyond angry.
Frustrated, irritated, fuming, livid.
All versions of anger, but very different intensities.
Frustrated means blocked from achieving something.
Not pure anger, more like helpless annoyance.
I'm just so frustrated. Nothing is going the way I planned.
Irritated is mild, low-level annoyance.
That noise is really irritating me.
Fuming is very angry, practically smoking with rage.
She was absolutely fuming when she found out.
And livid is intense, white-hot anger.
He was livid. I have never seen him that angry.
Knowing which level of anger you're expressing,
Tells people exactly how serious the situation is.
one word does all of that.
Precision in emotional language is powerful
Okay, let's talk about mixed emotions.
because real feelings are rarely simple.
Usually, they're a mixture of several things at once.
And English has beautiful ways to express that.
Bittersweet.
Happy and sad at the same time.
Graduation was bittersweet. So proud, but also sad it was over.
Conflicted.
Feeling pulled in two different directions emotionally.
I'm really conflicted about this decision. Both options feel wrong.
Caught off guard.
Surprised in a way that left you unprepared.
That question really caught me off guard.
At a loss.
Not knowing what to say or do. Speechless from emotion.
I was completely at a loss for words when she told me.
Numb.
So overwhelmed by emotion that you can't feel anything.
After the news, I just felt completely numb.
That is such an honest and human feeling.
And having the word for it helps.
It always helps to have the word.
Okay, now let's talk about empathy.
How to respond when someone shares something emotional with you.
Because this is where so many people get stuck.
Someone tells you something difficult,
And you want to respond with genuine warmth.
but you don't know what to say.
So you say something generic.
Oh, that's too bad, or I'm sorry to hear that.
Which is fine, but it doesn't make them feel truly heard.
And feeling heard is what people actually need.
More than advice, more than solutions.
Just feeling that someone genuinely understands.
So let's talk about how to actually do that.
First, acknowledge before you advise.
This is the #1 mistake people make.
Someone shares a problem and immediately you jump to solutions.
Have you tried this? You should do that.
But the person didn't ask for solutions yet.
They needed to feel understood first.
So the first response should always acknowledge their feeling.
Not fix it, just acknowledge it.
What does that sound like?
That sounds really difficult.
Simple, but incredibly powerful.
I can only imagine how hard that must be.
You're not claiming to fully understand. You're saying, I'm trying to.
That makes complete sense that you'd feel that way.
Validating their emotion, not judging it.
You have every right to feel upset about that.
Giving them permission to feel what they feel.
Which sounds small, but means everything.
Because many people feel guilty for their emotions.
Like they shouldn't be this upset.
And someone saying, you have every right to feel this.
Is genuinely healing.
Okay, active empathy phrases.
These go beyond just acknowledging.
They show you're truly engaged with their experience.
I hear you.
2 words, enormous impact.
It means I am fully present, I understand.
Not literally just hearing sounds.
But deeply receiving what you're sharing.
That must have been so hard.
Imagining their experience, stepping into it with them.
How are you holding up?
Checking in after something difficult.
Holding up means managing or coping.
How are you holding up after everything that happened?
Shows you remember. You're still thinking about them.
That follow-up matters so much.
I'm here for you.
Simple, direct, deeply comforting.
Whatever you need, I'm here.
I've got you.
Even more intimate. I've got you means I will support you.
I won't let you face this alone.
That takes real courage to share. Thank you for trusting me.
Acknowledging the vulnerability it took to open up.
People rarely acknowledge that directly.
But it means everything to the person sharing.
Because sharing something vulnerable is brave.
And having that recognized feels so good.
Okay, what about when you relate to someone's experience?
Sharing that you understand from your own experience.
Without making it about you.
That distinction is important.
There's a difference between relating and redirecting.
Relating means briefly connecting your experience to theirs.
Then handing focus back.
Redirecting means taking over the conversation with your story.
Very different, very easy to accidentally do.
We've all done that accidentally.
We really have.
The rule is brief connection, then back to them.
Always return focus to the person who opened up.
They are the one who needed to be heard.
Okay, phrases for checking in on someone.
Because sometimes you sense something is wrong.
but they haven't said anything,
And you want to open the door gently.
without forcing them to share if they don't want to.
You seem a bit off today. Everything okay?
A bit off means slightly not yourself. Something seems wrong.
It's a gentle observation, not a diagnosis.
You don't have to talk about it, but I'm here if you do.
Removing pressure, leaving the door open.
That phrase is so important.
Because sometimes people aren't ready.
And knowing the door is open without pressure,
Makes them more likely to walk through it when they are ready. Is there anything I can do?
practical offer of support.
But phrased as a question, not an assumption.
Because sometimes people just need to vent.
And sometimes they need practical help.
Asking which one they need shows real emotional intelligence.
Actually, a very powerful question.
Do you want me to listen or do you need advice?
Direct, but so useful.
People rarely ask this, but everyone appreciates it.
Because it shows you understand the difference.
And you're willing to give them what they actually need, not just what you feel comfortable giving.
That is genuine emotional intelligence.
Okay, let's talk about phrases for difficult conversations.
When you need to say something hard, but kindly.
I don't want to overstep, but I wanted to check in.
Overstep means go beyond appropriate boundaries.
Saying this shows you're aware of boundaries.
But care enough to ask anyway. I might be wrong, but you seem like you're carrying a lot right now.
Carrying a lot means dealing with many heavy things at once.
I just want you to know you don't have to go through this alone.
So simple, so deeply comforting.
And I might not have the right words, but I'm here.
Honest about your limitations.
But present anyway.
Sometimes present matters more than perfect words.
Always.
Okay, full vocabulary recap.
Positive emotions beyond happy.
Elated, over the moon, relieved, content, grateful,
Difficult emotions beyond sad.
heartbroken, gutted, deflated, overwhelmed, burnt out, numb,
Anger spectrum.
irritated, frustrated, fuming, livid,
Mixed emotions.
bittersweet, conflicted, caught off guard, at a loss.
Empathy phrases.
That sounds really difficult. I can only imagine.
That makes complete sense. You have every right to feel that.
I hear you. I've got you. I'm here for you.
Checking in phrases.
You seem a bit off today. Everything okay?
You don't have to talk about it, but I'm here if you do.
Do you want me to listen or do you need advice?
I don't want to overstep, but I wanted to check in.
You don't have to go through this alone.
That is your complete emotional intelligence vocabulary toolkit.
For expressing yourself and for making others feel truly heard.
These phrases do something special.
They build trust. They build connection.
They make people feel safe around you,
And that is what real communication is for.
not just exchanging information.
But genuinely connecting.
Human to human.
And now you have the language to do that.
In English, fully, naturally.
Without losing anything in translation.
Okay, listeners, if this episode helped you, share it with someone who struggles to express themselves in English.
Leave a comment below. Tell us one phrase from today you're going to use.
And subscribe for a new episode every week.
Right here on the Lingo Listen.
Until next time,
Speak honestly. Listen deeply.
and never stop connecting.